Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the TV and the device you want to show. Make sure both are fully on. Once done, pick the remote or TV input button and open the input list. This tells you where to begin. Next, inspect the cable connection at both ends because a loose HDMI is the most common failure. If a cable looks worn, swap it for one you know works. These steps get you into the system quickly, so you can switch screens without guessing. Now navigate the input or source menu and select the exact port your device uses. This tells the TV where to pull the signal from. Once selected, make sure the device output matches the TV's supported resolution and refresh rate to avoid blank or distorted screens. If you're using external audio, enable CEC or ARC so the TV and soundbar talk to each other. Also, check device display settings for aspect ratio and scaling, because mismatches produce stretched or cropped images. Finish by confirming both picture and sound are correct. Choose a picture mode like standard or movie and save your preferences. If the image looks off, tweak overscan, sharpness, and color settings in small steps so you can revert if needed. When things don't appear, power cycle the TV and the source device, then test a different HDMI port or cable. This single check resolves most no-signal problems. If that fails, reboot the source device and retry the input selection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.